welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a little bit of a different video, and I'm gonna share with you a bunch of my Amazon favorites. Products that you need that, you know, some of these are just gonna change your life. There's one on here that may be just a little bit personal, but literally I would die without it. I would die without it, and you will see what that is. But yeah, I'm gonna share, how many do I have here? I like wrote them down. 10 different Amazon products that you need, and it's going to be jumpy. I'm actually going to show you where it's located, what it's used for. So I'm going to like bounce back and forth from this camera to this one. Actually, it'll probably only be once or twice on this camera because it's a whole setup in here, girl. It is a whole setup. I can't be moving it around. If you want to know what Amazon favorites are, then please keep on watching, of course. And please leave your Amazon favorites down below. And as always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel already. It would mean the absolute world to me. No pressure though, of course. And yeah, let's get into these favorites. All right, I'm gonna start off with this product, and these sunglasses were so inexpensive. They're massive. If you are someone who likes huge glasses, like head is small, but glasses are massive. I want them to cover my face. These are totally glasses like, I'm not dealing with you today. I wanna hide behind my glasses. Let's go get some mimosas. Like, this is the vibe that these glasses are giving off. And there's so many different shades, and I think they're really cute. They fit snug on the face, so they're not gonna like fly off. You know how some oversized glasses can be really loose? These are not loose on your head, but I really like these, and they were not expensive at all. I will of course leave everything that I say down below. So next item. All right, the next item that I want to tell you about are these lights that I've been using, and these are some desk lights that you can use to film, to enhance your filming setup. So I have here, I will just show you. Let me just grab my phone and I'll show you what I'm looking at. All right, so this is behind the scenes, what you see. This is my computer, so I can actually see if we're in focus. And then this is the light that I'm talking about. This light was super cheap from Amazon, and it's really cool because I like that you can just USB plug it into the side of your computer, and there's different modes where you can go like super bright if you wanted to, like, woo, girl, we bright. And then you can dim it down, which I really appreciate. And then with this one as well, it's also a USB. You can change the color. I'm changing the mood. And again, you can go up super bright with it or super dim with it. It's just, they're really good. And I think they are $20 or under $20. They're, you know, good options if you want to start out with some lighting, but don't have a ton to invest. And then I've always had these lights here. So cool. But yes, that is what those lights look like. I actually have two of the ones on the side that I showed you, and then I keep the one in the center to add like some warmth or something to my face. You got it. Okay, moving on. The next product you absolutely need, and I know I'm late to the train on this. Actually, I've had this for over a year, but I'm just now getting to my Amazon favorites. You see how this bag looks like it has some structure to it? It's because it does, girl. It's got some bones in the middle, and that is what you need. And you can literally use this for any bag. It doesn't have to be for the Louis Neverfold, whatever. Any bag that has no structure to it, this gonna give it structure. You can take it out, as you can see, just like this, and it just gives your bag some bones. And I love that it has all these compartments. There's so many different versions of this on Amazon. This is just, you know, the one that I found that was affordable and I loved, and it comes with measurements and all that, so you can literally buy the perfect size for whatever bag you have. And I will show you in the mirror that it gives it structure. See? Gives it structure. Don't judge my messy house. But yeah, love it. All right, next product that you absolutely need is one of these, what do you call these? Fuzz Eaters. It be eating the fuzz on your pants or your shirts. You know what I'm talking about, those like weird balls. Better yet, let me do one better. Let me show you an example. These pants that I just washed, other items that I probably shouldn't have washed them with, have those, you know, those little ball things that I'm talking about. And this thing, you can adjust. You can adjust the closeness of this. So when you turn it on, makes this sound, and you want to hold the item not like this. put it nice and flat on your bed or, you know, some flat surface. And those little fuzzies, this magic thing will just eat them away, and you can hear it. It'll go eat, eat, eat. And you will be shocked that once you let this thing out here at the bottom, here, I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. It's got all, look how many. Not from just now, but look, it's got all of these fuzzies from pants, sweaters, whatever has those fuzz, your couch. Literally, you can use this on so many things. And it's just so convenient. It's battery operated, they're not expensive, and yeah, I love this one from Conair. The next thing you need is this handy dandy workout bench. And the way that I actually found this was from Desi Perkins' husband. When they did their gym reveal, he shared this bench, and dude, it's amazing. I love it because I can do, you know, this number for ab work. Baller, you can do this workout. It's super adjustable. Let me show you. Don't judge my garage. It's super easy to fold. You just take this thing, it can go all the way down like that. You can put it all the way up. This thing goes in and out, and this as well goes up and down like so. And it can fold in half like this and be put away. And then of course you put that side down, and then you just lift it up. You put it away if you want to, which is honestly what I should probably do. And you lead by example. And then you just, you know, put it off to the side, just like that. If you saw the tag, disregard, I'm doing a try on haul. Next, random Amazon favorite, workout bands. I found this on sale from Deal Hunting Babe. I will put her right here. She's so bomb. She always puts deals up with like extra discounts. They can already be super baller deals, but she'll come up with these discount codes. I think they offer them to her for her viewers. So start following her. I will link her right here, but I love these bands. It came in a 3-pack, but this one is my favorite because it has the most resistance, and you can get a good old booty workout in while you're cooking dinner, right? Just like this. Okay, moving on to the next one. Okay, since I have you in the kitchen, next favorite. I want to say this before I show it to you. Do not judge a book by its cover. This pan has been through lots and lots of meals, and it does not look like this when you first get it, but it is the best pan, the best affordable pan ever, called OZERI. Literally, it is the best pan to make eggs. Anything that you want like a natural nonstick surface, this is made out of stone. There's no weird like nonstick film on it. You can do your own research when it comes to that about the surfaces of pans, but this is all natural from a stone. It's a fantastic pan. Everyone who has used this in my family loves it. Literally, I bought one for my brother. I got one for my parents. They love it. It is one of the most, or the only used pan when it comes to, you know, frying some mips and stuff up. So get that. The next item that I love and didn't think that I would love as much as I do, but if you are a sunglass wearer and you have an entry table or just an area where you put your sunglasses and you don't want them out, pow, got you saved. And it's cute. Bada boom, bada bing. Just opens up like this. It's got like a, I don't know if it's glass. Doesn't feel like glass. It's like a hard plastic. And you can just put your shades in there. And it's super cute. You can put it on your entry table. You can even put it inside of your entry table drawers. I don't have one. This is just like a shoe rack, but it's on top of this, and we put like keys and stuff in these bowls. Disregard the mess. And yeah, I love this thing. Okay. This next one, I know we're gonna get a little personal. We're in my bathroom, but this literally has changed my life. I also have it for the kids, and they nasty, and they love it too. But, ta-da, we're at my toilet. And you're like, what in the world from Amazon did you buy, you know, that you love so much? You guys, it's this thing right here, this Luxe Bidet attachment that's so freaking easy to attach to your toilet. Listen, let me tell you, if you have troubles, all right, we're about to get real personal here. If you are a person that needs to, you know, wipe multiple times, whatever, you've had lots of kids, you know, we don't need to get too in depth. My mamas, you know what I'm talking about. This gonna get you so clean, girl. So clean. No questions asked, so clean. And I will say this about this though, you just need the slightest amount of water water pressure. Don't go in there turning the knob really fast right away. It's gonna rip off your butthole. It's gonna be like sayonara suckers. It's gone. Let me see if I can show you the water pressure. This way, actually, I don't think I can because it will squirt out. I will just do a brief description. This is the actual pressure that you adjust, low, high, and this will actually be the one, this flap will open up here. This flap will open up and water will literally spray out perfectly to your asshole. And if it doesn't fit perfectly to your butthole, I'm about to sit on here. We're about to get personal. You just wiggle, like move, shift your butt like this, whatever angle you need to angle your body, you move it. I can't believe I'm like sharing this right now, but it's literally, it has changed my life. I don't use toilet paper ever when I'm at home, and I can't even use number 2 anywhere else unless I'm home. It's just that freaking life changing, and I'm not even being dramatic. Just do yourself a favor and get that for yourself. Like, it's so easy, and it's like 30 bucks if I'm not mistaken, and it's just the best invention ever. Also, when you're on your dot, you can like spray out your, okay, let's move on. Next. Another handy dandy little contraption is this extension cord outlet. So this, you can turn if you want to loosen it, and you can turn if you want to tighten it. And I really like this because it's got 8 of these jacks, and then there's these USB connectors on the bottom, and it's just really convenient if you're trying to film. Like, for example, these lights, I need to plug in those lights. I need to plug in all my computers and stuff like that. You can put it on top of your desk right here. You can just put all kinds of stuff that you need to plug in into one power source. So I totally recommend that. And I like that you can swivel it to tighten the extension cord so it doesn't make a huge mess in your house. Okay, next. Another favorite is this stroller. I use this every day. Amazing. It is a running stroller. It comes with like a little pump that is, well, it's not here. Of course it's not here, but it does come with a pump that conveniently is stored right there. Rylan loves it, and it's perfect. Oh, daddy and baby. What it looks like, and I want to show you how it folds up. Oh no, look, it's his favorite thing. He wants to get in it. Oh my God, that's so funny. You're selling it to them, Ryland. All right, but that's it for my Amazon favorites. I hope you enjoyed this video. I personally love watching these kinds of videos because who the heck doesn't shop on Amazon nowadays? You know, everybody does. Everybody does. Let me know down below if there's any products that you guys are interested in that you guys necessarily don't want to buy. You want somebody else to try it, somebody be your guinea pig. That can be me. I will do that for you. Or let us all know products that we should try. Let the whole class know, girl. Put it down below. Thanks again for watching this video. As always, I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye.